It's snowing! And that means today is the day that you can look at me and say, you stupid fuck. Because it is the first snowstorm of the year. And that means it is the day where I stand outside wearing shorts and eat ice cream. Now, I don't know why I started this tradition in 1994. I was a kid. I was an idiot. I basically wore shorts the entire year round, and I lived in Maine. Not that smart. But the way I figured it, it would be the coldest I would be all winter. And generally speaking, that was the case. But then, as I got a little bit older, I volunteered at some homeless shelters, and I started being more aware of the people around me who didn't have homes. And I came to realize that many of those people are this cold every night of the winter. And so this tradition that started now 29 years ago, which is unbelievable because I don't think I was even born 29 years ago, but this tradition that started in 1994 had some meaning behind it for me. And it's been almost 3 years since I have done this, actually, because the last 2 winters I was in Mexico and Florida, and they have beach, not snow. But this year, I'm here in upstate New York, and although most of the 90,000 people experiencing homelessness are down in New York City, the rest of the state has between 20 and 25,000 people. And many of these people are out on the streets on any given night. Now, at some point, maybe I'll make this an official fundraiser. That would be fantastic. For this year, though, I'm just conditioning. Cold's already getting to me. I'm continuing my tradition. But what I do hope is that you join me and you support your local homeless shelters and other organizations that provide assistance to these people experiencing homelessness. Because our society is all of us, and we need to support those in need as well. So you don't have to join me for ice cream, but if you do, I'd love to have you join me someday. For now, I'll finish my pint of mint chocolate chip Haagen-Dazs, also from New York, the Bronx. Watch my kid play in the snow. It's fucking cold. Wave. Wave. Okay, now say bye.